Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a personal portfolio using Canva. It's very easy, so let's buckle up and create some beautiful portfolio for you or your friend if you want to help him or her out. First things first, we have to log in into canva.com. If you don't have an account, you can create one in 2 or 3 minutes, and it's completely for free. So we are in here. I'm already logged in. I don't really think that I have to show you how it's all done. It's easy. If you have a Gmail account, you can just log in with your Gmail account and you are good to go. So first things first, we are going to use this search bar or search window, and we are going to write down portfolio. So let's go with portfolios, and here we have couple of options, couple of templates that we can adapt and then use and change a bit to our liking. Just be careful. Canva is for free, but some of the templates are considered as a part of a pro package. So you either subscribe to the portfolio, to the Canva, or you pick, for example, this type of portfolio, which is completely for free, or this one. I'm gonna go with this one. I kind of like it, so why the hell not? Let's say we are going to create a portfolio for your friend, which is a girl. So customize this template. As you can see, we have just one picture in here, and we're gonna add a new face. So this will be like, we can change this to like hello YouTube. This will be portfolio selected from, for, and yada yada yada. Okay, here we are going to actually add our photos. First of all, we have to pick a background. Photo colors that you are using in here in this portfolio are dictating that we can use all of these colors maybe together. So let's go like this. As you can see, all of them are already in there. I'm gonna go with this one. So here I am. What I have to do now is add some kind of heading. For example, photo shoot Mallorca 2022, just like that. You can make it like this, or okay, this is just too much, like this. Okay, and right now it's time for you to upload your photos. So in the left bar we have uploads option, and here we can upload files. We have couple of already pre-made it things that we can add there. So I'm gonna use this photo of mine. Okay, and maybe I have more of my photos in this, but I don't really think so. No. Okay, so obviously this is not Mallorca. This is me in High Tatras in Slovakia. So we can use this one, for example, and use it in here. Just like that. You can make it bigger. You can make it more stylish. No filters. You can add this one into it. Obviously, this looks more like a party than your personal portfolio, but you can toy around with it, so you don't have to worry too much. Also, this is not the only thing that you can use. You can use different designs, different templates, and many more. So even notes and stuff like that. You can change the whole inches, so it can be wider than higher, for example, and just add more pages with the photos of you. Let's go with the model. And for example, you can use it like this, add a new page, just like that. And slowly you are building your portfolio out of your photos that you took from photoshoot, just like that. You can name it, you can toy around with it. I don't know if filters are on point. And once you're done, once you uploaded all the pictures that you want, okay, my face, it's just not matching all those vibrant models. And what we can do now is share it, download it, and send it. There are a couple of options that we can use. On top right corner, we have this share option, and in here we can just send it to the people or groups of people of your team, or you can copy the link to this presentation, present it, template link, present a record review only link, and now our last options is download. In here we have JPEG, PNG option, PDF standard, PDF print. I strongly recommend you using the PDF standard option, but obviously the best quality you get in SVG. So in SVG, obviously it's the highest quality, it's the volume wise or megabyte wise, it's the largest document, packing the most quality, but it's only available for people that subscribed to Canva. Also, if you want to resize it, first of all, you see we have pixels. You have to be paid member of Canva Club. Some of the options have little dollar instead of golden little crown, so pay attention to those as well, since they are one-time paid only, so they are not at subscription based. But just like that, you can easily create your portfolio, to download it and send it further, maybe to your agent or to your friends, so you know what they think about it. And yeah, that's about it, guys. If you have any questions how to create your portfolio, just ask me underneath this video and I'll answer you as quickly as I can. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.